In this video, we're going to go ahead and learn how to use Find and Replace in Google Sheets. This tool is important if we're trying to look up an owner or an address or any data actually in our Google Sheet, especially when there are multiple records. Let's say we had properties and records that went all the way down to 100 or 200. It's a lot easier to use Find and Replace to find them right away other than try to look through every single row and try to find that address. So in that, we're going to go ahead and hit Edit. We go to Find and Replace, and we're going to go ahead and try to find Tony in this Google Sheet. So under the search bar, it gives you the options to select all sheets, this sheet, or a specific range. In this case, and in most cases, we're going to hit this sheet. It gives you the selection to hit all sheets, and that would only apply if there were multiple sheets in this spreadsheet. Typically in our spreadsheets there is only one master sheet, so we would go ahead and hit this sheet. And you would go ahead and hit Find. You would hit Done, and it takes you right to Tony on the screen. We will go ahead and try to find James this time in column M, row 6. Okay? We'll hit Edit again. Hit Find and Replace, and we will enter James, we will enter Find, and Done. Okay, perfect. So that worked out great. So in our Google Sheet, sometimes there may be more than one James or more than one Tony, and in that case, we can go ahead and look it up by address. So 1146 West Side Street. Let's go ahead and try that. Find and Replace, 1146 West Side Street. In this sheet, Find. You will see that I went and selected this one, 1146 West Side Street. It gives us row 6 there. So that's how you go ahead and hit Find and Replace, or hit at least find someone in a Google Sheet when there are multiple records. This is good because when we're in our auction sheets, which these properties are an auction, and we're trying to find out if they are in our NOD sheet, we can just go to our NOD sheet, hit Edit, Find and Replace, and enter the property address, select this sheet, and then hit Find, and it will come right up. That is how you go ahead and hit Find and Replace in a Google Sheet.